Hello everyone, welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're solving the integral from -1 to 0 of t to the 1/3 minus t to the 2/3. Okay, let's start. This is equivalent to the integral from a to b. Remember f of x dx is equivalent to the primitive or the original function evaluated on b minus the original function evaluated on a. Okay, so let's just go ahead and integrate. So t to the 1/3, the integral of this will be 1/3 plus 1, which is 3/3, which will make it 1/3 plus 3/3, that'll be 4/3, divided by 4/3, minus 2/3 plus 1, which is 3/3 plus 2/3, that'll be 5/3, divided by 5/3. Well, that 5 is ugly. And this will be evaluated from -1 to 0. Okay, let's simplify a little bit. This will be 3/4 t to the 4/3 minus 3/5 t to the 5/3. Okay, and this is evaluated from -1 to 0. Remember what we need to do. We need to evaluate the function on 0 minus the function evaluated on -1. Okay, so the function evaluated on 0, as you can see, once again, there's a t and there's a t, so that 0 is going to make this just 0. Then the only thing that we need to calculate is negative and f of -1, which will be what? 3/4 times -1 to the 4/3 minus 3/5 times -1 to the 5/3. Okay, so negative 3/4 times -1 to the 4/3. -1 to the 4/3 is the cubic root of -1 to the 4th, because that 4 is an even number, so that becomes positive, and the cubic root of 1 is just positive, so it stays 3/4. Now, when we have -3/5, what do we have there? A -1 elevated to the 5/3, that is the cubic root of -1 to the 5th. So -1 to the 5th, because that's an odd exponent, it will stay as -1, and the cubic root of -1 is going to be a -1, so there's a -1 here being multiplied, but instead of writing that one out, we're just going to change this to positive. So we're going to have negative, and 3/4, let's amplify that times 5, and times 5, that will be 15 over 20, and 3/5 times 4, that will be plus 12 over 20, and this is 27 over 20 with our negative there. All right, that should be our final answer. Thank you for watching. Remember to send your questions and also let us know how can we help. Okay, don't forget to follow us on social media. Thank you.